Hey everybody, what's up? Mark Supsick here. I wanted to show you the beautiful wines that are in this latest weekly tasting pack that I put together. It's called Taste the Volcano. Let's check out this 2018 Frappato from Baglio di Pianetto. Frappato is another native Sicilian grape, obviously red, and it makes for a really light and bright red wine. So the grapes to make this wine are sourced from a second vineyard location down in the south of Sicily, known as the Baroni Vineyard. And this vineyard is at a lower elevation above sea level, about 150 feet above sea level, so it's going to be a warmer site. Both of these wines from Sicily so far, really super aromatic and fragrant in the glass. In this case, I'm getting more sort of like a rose essence or like an African violet essence. It really just hits you with strong flavors of cherry. There's roses, there's African violets in there, and there's a minor funk on this wine, which I can't determine if it comes from the volcanic soil or the indigenous yeasts that they use to ferment the wines. Now that we've had the opportunity to taste two wines, both from Sicily, I think we're starting to form a picture here. So that is the 2018 Frappato from Baglio di Pianetto, another beautiful Sicilian wine. And I hope you can get the opportunity to get this weekly tasting for yourself. I'll see you there. Cheers.